Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to play on cellular network, just click in this sign. So when you just click on it here, like you see this color show for us, that's me play on cellular network enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.